Here we are at the Power Wash Store, PA. Here we have a trailer back in for service that we built. We had an unloader go bad on the air compressor. This trailer is about a year old. Coating and everything still looks awesome on it. It was coating out of a can that we brushed on. I think it's a dual axle. I think this one's a 14-footer. Got our mini skid, air diaphragm, proportioner, 270 tank. It's got a 20-gallon winterization kit on it, 7-gallon soap. It's got our water dragon hose reels on it. Got a set of Titans. Yeah, fixing the unloader on the air compressor, and this one be out. And we are getting ready to start building this one. I had to use it for a job. And we're gonna build it and kick it out of here. 14-foot dual axle trailer ready to be built. 717-378-2276.
Here is an update on the build. We got the Predator mounted on this side, the K1 unloader with the 50 feet of hose kind of coiled underneath, and then I'll take you around, but it's run all the way around the trailer there. Whip line's gonna go here. The toolbox has both batteries. The reels, the Predator, Charger, 4-gallon is still mounted. And then we got the soft wash system plumbed here with the proportioner and ProFlow, FlowPro, the water diverter, inline filter for water coming into the trailer, soft wash hose, water hose, pressure line. So here's that 50-foot all they run through the downstream, and then it's plumbed to the reel. Quick update, still got work to do. I'll do a more detailed walkthrough once it's 100%.
What's going on, everybody? I figured I would give everybody a little walkthrough of my homemade enclosed pressure washing trailer in case anybody is interested in building one of themselves, and maybe this could help out. Anyways, we'll start off. This is a 6x12 single axle enclosed, and we have our supply hose that we hook up to the customer's water, and that fills up our IBC tote or our buffer tank. And both our pressure washers as well as our soft wash system runs off the water that's in the tank. So we'll start off with the air system. We have the air compressor. I believe that's from Northern Tools, and that runs our soft wash system. This is the Roof King Jester, 10 gallons per minute. And it has 3/4 inch check valves and 3/4 inch metering valves. We only run 2 valves right now because we just add our soap to our SH tank. And then our soft wash system also has a 3-way valve. So this is ran all the way to our SH tank in the back. So when we want to pull SH, turn the SH on, and we adjust the percentage of what we want to apply to the surface with this right here, whether that be 1% all the way up to full strength if you want to. And then whenever we want to flush everything out, we'll just kick this on, and now it's going to be pulling water to flush the whole system out. Next, we'll start off with our hose reels. So we got general pump hose reels. And guys, I don't know why I ordered a wrong size. I did that by mistake, so I had to makeshift it with some wood to make it stack, but it works great, and I have no complaints. So we have 200 feet of 5/8 soft wash hose with the general pump soft wash gun. Then we have, I believe it's 200 or 250 feet of 3/8 high pressure line. And we have the spare 3/8 high pressure line because we all know how those love to pop. Oh, this, guys. If you guys do not have the injector bypass kits, I highly recommend these. These things are awesome. So when you're like this, when the valve's this way, now we're pulling chemical. And when we want to rinse, we flip this out or flip this over, and now the water's bypassing the injector kit, and now you get full flow out of your machines for rinsing, and it's awesome. Also, we have our injector on a valve system too, so I got everything marked in red, so we know, like right here, we're going to be pulling SH, and then when we want to rinse the injector out, we flip over to here, and now we're going to be pulling water to rinse this out. I always rinse my injectors out, and this is the same injector since day one, and it still hasn't failed me yet. Also, we run WD-40 through those also to keep those things working properly. Next, we have our surface cleaner. We have two. The other one, the swivel broke, so now we're replacing that. So right now we just have our Whisper Wash 16-inch, our Cadillac. I love this thing. If y'all are on the market for a surface cleaner, I highly recommend getting the Whisper Wash. You will thank me later. Now let's go on to the soft wash gun. This is the ST510. I actually use this for roofs. Like, I'll put this on the soft wash hose when I have a roof cleaning, because you can control runoff so much better with this compared to that. That thing just flows so much. I use that for house washing. We have a lot of limestone here, so that's perfect for house washing. Next, we have, for the high pressure gun, we have the ST2305s. Love this gun. And this one, we have it set up with the J-Rod with the Daverson shooter tip. Highly recommend this also. Love it. And then next, we have another ST2305 with the M5 twist nozzle. Awesome. You can adjust the fan pattern to a stream or to a fan. Anyways, guys, this is part 1 on the home built trailer. If you want to see part 2, just let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I would be more than happy to help.